So I should be sorry for Mario. I'll also say sorry. Mario. God. Prepare for you to get you. No, don't eat me, don't eat me. I don't taste good. I taste like meatballs. That's the flavor I like. Oh no! Oh yeah? Okay, I got this one. Okay. I need to keep
in the back of his mind, he could have been a prize fighter like Muhammad Ali or maybe Prince Naseem. But in school he was from the very start for being way too petite. A little light on his feet. Cause once he heard that Arnie was bullied at school, but just a few years later he became the Terminator. He turned his mind to stay courageous. It's time to get those books back. It's time to get those books back.
Who told me? What? How'd he get here? I don't know. Let's go home. Help me go home, okay? It's a good day to be all quiet. So good. When I always never hear. What was that? Get out! You, word. Go away! You're disturbing my quietness. Get away! Okay, this is quiet. Now, I can finally be good now. I'll start the lights. There. Now, what was that? So what I'm gonna do is get out! Light in your eyes. No! Yes. Finally. This is the time when people get so annoying. I cannot see. So now I say one word. Cannot see. Cannot see, cannot see, cannot see, cannot see. And now you see this. Get away, you squirrel. Finally. Come on. Take this. Oh. Ow. Shut up. There. I'll just go outside or there. All quiet and peace. Now, since that ugly chipmunk guy must keep saying well, I said go away. So yeah, now what do I do? I forgot to do things. Ooh, who said that? Oh, Mamma Mia! That voice sounds familiar. Maybe that's Mario. Should be somewhere. Okay, Donkey Kong, your turn. It's coming up there. Okay. No. Okay. Here's something. Mario, I knew it was you. Why you're here? Because what? Luigi kicked me out of the house. Okay. So since you're alone, I'm not alone with Donkey Kong. Right there. Okay then, I guess there's no choice but to block you. Quickly, hurry up. I'm blocked. I know it did save them. Stop right there, Spike. Me, Luigi. What? Tell me where's Mario or else. That's what. I didn't fight him. Oh yeah, or else I'll fight you. Okay then. What's this? Oh, you're talking to me. That's the whole point. What? Mario. Mario. Who is it? Luigi. What do you want? I'm here to get you out. Why? You said that you want me to leave. Well, I'm sorry. Now, well, if you're sorry, can you help me get out? That's what I came here for. Okay. Donkey Kong's with me. What? Donkey Kong, I was looking for you. Sorry. Just... Come on. Let's go in the taxi. Thank you, taxi. You're welcome. Finally, you're at home. Why I could never escape in the jungle? That's because you always lived with us. Oh yeah, and I left him here. Let's bring him anyway. You know he's bad. Whoa. He can't watch out. You're at home. What's white? Ow. Let's get inside. In real life, don't die again, okay, Mario? Okay. Yeah. What are you doing here? I was just sorry what I did to you. I was just like I'm tiger. I'm a tiger, so I don't want people to touch me. Okay, that's okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, this is over. Bye. This is the end of part 2. Bye. Bye. Bye.